Okay, this video is going to demonstrate how to download the model-specific print driver for your printer. First things first, in order to do this step on a Mac, you need to know your IP address for the printer itself. If you don't know how to find that, there are some instructions here that I've typed up. Take a moment to pause the video, go find your IP address, and then come back to this video when you have it. Again, we'll need it. Once you have that, open up a web browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever it may be, and in Google, type in Konica print drivers. Once you do that, find this one here that says onyxweb.mykonicminolta.com, self-help product support. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see this website open, and over here to the left in the quick search bar, type in your printer model. If you don't know the printer model, it's located on the front door of your printer. There'll be a little sticker. Most models should say C and then a few numbers and maybe an E at the end. The one I'm going to demonstrate with is actually a 368. So type that in and then don't hit enter, search, or have it pull up the options here and click on your option. If you search for it, it may not give you the right one. So then select drivers right here in the middle. And this is going to pull up all your operating systems and operating system versions. For Macs, if you don't know yours, the easiest way to find out is to click the little apple in the top left and hit About This Mac. And it's listed right here. Version, I'm 11.6. Yours may be different, but you just need that version number there. You can exit out of that. So I'm going to go here and select my 11 point. And again, your screen here may look different depending on your operating system version. But either way, you just want to find the one that just says letter.zip. No fancy stuff. So you'll just click on that. It'll download here. You can right click on it and hit show in Finder. It'll pull up Finder, and from there, you'll just double click on the folder, double click on the install package, and then it'll pull up the setup wizard. So from here, you just hit continue, 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 agree, install, and it may or may not ask you to put in your password. And for this step, we're just installing the print driver itself. Afterwards, we'll go in system preferences and we'll actually download the printer, or add the printer rather. So after the installation is successful, you can hit close. It may ask you if you want to move it to trash, you can. From there, we'll go to system preferences. Double click on printers and scanners to open that, and then hit this plus button here. That's going to help you add a printer. These are all your Bonjour connections. It's an easy way to add printers, but sometimes it doesn't give you all the functionality that your printer provides. So we're going to want to click this globe here, and this is where you'll type in that IP address for your printer. Yours may be different than mine. Again, this is just one I'm using for a demonstration. So type in your IP address there, and if this isn't already selected to LPD, make sure that's selected to LPD. You can name it here, whatever you want. Easiest way for you to identify it. And then under use, go to select software, and this is where all your print drivers will be. So if you scroll down, keep scrolling, you'll pass all the HPs, you'll start to see Konica. Just find the one that you just downloaded, followed by PS. So I'm a C368 PS. You may be a C364E PS, which stands for PostScript. You may be a C454E. You may be a 654. Whatever it may be, you just select the proper one, and then hit OK and hit Add. And then here are your paper source units, finisher. If you have a finisher, most likely you're going to be the 534 itself. If you have the fold option, you're going to have the SD 511. But most of the time you're just going to have the 534 paper source unit. This just depends on the amount of trays you have. If you don't know that information, you can find it on the back of the copier itself, little sticker towards the bottom. I've got a 410, that's what I'm going to select, and then a punch unit, if you have it, you would be a PK 522 3-hole. Then hit OK. It's going to set up that printer. And then you are good to go. If you want to try a test print, you can easily just hit open print queue, and then from there, apologize, you hit printer and print test page. And then I just heard mine print out. That's just an easy way to print test page and make sure that you are connected properly. After that, you are all good, all set up and ready to print.